So in this practice example, we want to remove the even indexes. So here you have to be careful, like an array index always starts from 0. So if you see here, the 0 index is 1, 1 index is 2, value at 2 index is 3, value at 3 index is 4, and value at 4th index is 5. Now if we remove only even indexes, we should get an array which consists of 1, 3 and 5. So we'll see how we are going to do this. So payload filter, then we have an is even function, and what we will supply here, item? No, not item, we will supply indexes. Okay, so only the index which is even is getting into a new array. Okay, so as we discussed, 1, 3 and 5. Hope you understood this.